So let's see together the scripting function that we have with the Nanophraser. Scripting is quite useful in order to have repetitive functionalities that we would like to have on our Nanophraser software. So how does it work? Well, you see that we have a recording functionality, which is quite useful. You can open a script that you wrote from your desktop or save them. But first of all, how can we write a script? Every time we do anything with an Nanophraser, let's say now I'm changing the steps on X and Y by 250. You see, I have this last command panel, and we see exactly what the command that we input in the software. So we can just copy paste this in our script, and it will be an easy integration. If we want more advanced commands, or you want to know the list of commands, for example, you can go in the user manual of specific section. In this case, we have the TSPL or CLL runtime section. At the end of each section, there is the list of the API functions. So you can copy paste them and modify them depending on the data that you're interested in inputting in each function. So this is the same more comprehensive list of any function. Now let's go back to the scripting. I'll say a good example to show you how the scripting works is with the recording functionality. It's very straightforward, and it will show you immediately how this works. So we can start recording the script, and anything that I will be doing after I press recording will be part of the script. So for example, I put here the step 50. Actually, it was already 50, so let's put 51. See, we have a Nanophraser set stage to 51, but let's say we want to move down diagonally, then diagonally in the other direction, and then we want to set this to 150 and move down, Oh no, we just keep on moving. Okay, good. Then what can we do? We can do an IV curve and a approach. Here's the procedure. Then we put here 200 and we move up again, and we do a sample level plane. And we move down with the focus. Just because. So any functionalities, anything that you click on the software will be part of the script. So also if we want to start patterning anything, we press play, and the patterning command will be integrated in the script. But just to make it simple and shorter, we can just stop the script now, and we can run it. And hopefully we will see that everything that we've done will be done again by the Nanophraser software. You see, now we have to set the movement to 51, then to 150. And we see that we're doing the approach piezo procedure that was part of the script. So first the IV, an approach piezo, which has been running now. And then we have the sample level plane, so we have to move. and then run the sample level plane. So everything was repeated correctly. Of course, it's recording and repeat. It's quite straightforward. Once we are happy with our script, we can save it and also reuse it in the future. This is just a very basic demonstration of how we can do this scripting function. Then, of course, the creativity and your specific need will allow you to make much more complex scripts, and hopefully this function will be helpful for you with the Nanophraser.